Did you know that jumping rope can help you crush any fitness goal?
Tell me more, tell me more.
That's right, you can build strength, burn calories, or even jump high.
Very impressive.
This simple tool does it all. Let's dive in. You can find all of the equipment in today's video in the links down below. Jumping rope engages 10 different muscle groups
At the same time.
While a regular jump rope does build some strength, you really want to use a weighted jump rope to build strength and definition. These ropes add resistance, making your muscles work harder, building strength.
I grow stronger.
Here's how you'll build strength with a weighted jump rope. Now, first you want to choose the right weight for you. I always say do something that you can handle. About a half pound, 1/4 pound, 1 pound, whatever you can do consistently is what you want to start with. And you can work your way to heavier jump ropes as you get stronger. Make sure you're focusing on your form.
I want to do it the right way.
You want to keep your core engaged, your shoulders relaxed, and use your wrist to spin the rope. This ensures you're targeting the right areas. You're targeting your arms, shoulders, and core rather than just tiring out your wrist. Now, if you really want to get some definition, you want to incorporate strength training intervals. Alternate between 30 seconds of a weighted rope and 15 seconds of push-ups or squats. This combination not only builds strength, but also enhances your muscle endurance. Moves like single arm swings or alternating foot skip will challenge different muscle groups, keeping your workouts dynamic and effective. Different jump rope tricks target muscle groups differently. So you want to get some variety in there so you can actually challenge your entire body. When I first started jumping rope, I was using a lot of weighted jump ropes. This was my alternative to dumbbells. It was the pandemic at the time and dumbbells just weren't accessible. My plan was I jumped rope for 10 minutes at a time, making sure I do 1 minute of jumping each time until I got 10 minutes. Now, my biggest secret was I timed my breaks.
That's my secret, Cassie.
So when I first got started, I took a minute break so I could really regain my strength so I could make sure I can go harder. As I got stronger, I took 30-second break. Now, mind you, I was still only jumping for 10 minutes, but I was taking less of a break. It really makes your workout more challenging when you take your breaks and you cut them in half. When you go from 1 minute to 30 seconds. I honestly think that is a perfect beginner level workout.
It's perfect for you guys.
Just 10 minutes, take a break. It's a full body exercise and you don't really have to jump very fast. Your muscles will adapt to the resistance level, and as you get stronger, you can look up more difficult workouts. Before we dive into the next tip, I've got something that'll take your fitness journey to the next level. My book, Jump Into Fitness, is the ultimate guide to transforming your body and mastering the art of jumping rope. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your skill, this book will teach you everything you need to know about jumping rope the right way and get real results. Ready to revolutionize your workout? Grab a copy below and start your transformation today. Jumping rope can burn up to 15 calories per minute, making it one of the most efficient calorie burning exercises out there.
It's all about finding ways to make yourself more efficient.
So if weight loss is your goal, a jump rope is your best friend. Let's break down why. If you're jumping rope for weight loss, you want to make it an extremely high intensity workout. You want to incorporate high intensity interval training. Try 30 seconds of fast jumps followed by 15 seconds of rest. Repeat for 10 rounds. This can burn up to 300 to 400 calories in just 30 minutes.
That's incredible.
Consistency, consistency, consistency. Aim for at least 4 to 5 sessions per week. Consistency is super key to results. I can't say it enough. Mix up your moves, do different tricks. These will help you stay engaged in the workout first and foremost, but also hit different muscle groups and keep your heart rate up. So doing a bunch of jump rope tricks isn't just for looking good on camera, it actually helps you physically. You can't forget your diet. This is one thing about losing weight, you can't outwork out a bad diet. Remember, jumping rope is only one part of the equation. You want to pair your workouts with a balanced diet to optimize your fat loss. One more tip is you want to keep track of everything you eat through the day, especially if you want to lose weight, even if you want to gain muscle. I personally use MyFitnessPal to track some of my calories. As you get better, you might not need MyFitnessPal after a while, but at first, especially when you're first getting started and you want to know what to eat and what not to eat to achieve your goals, MyFitnessPal is your best friend. This is not an ad. I really use MyFitnessPal all the time, but if Under Armour wants to pay me some money,
Call me.
Do it.
while you're trying to lose weight, while you're trying to cut, you really want to keep track of every single thing you eat. I'm in that phase right now where I'm actually keeping track of my breakfast, lunch, and dinner and all of the calories I consume so that I can achieve the body that I really want for my next project.
Getting ready.
Did you know that athletes like boxers or basketball players use a jump rope to develop quick reflexes and explosive power?
His power grows daily.
Speed and explosiveness are crucial for athletes, and a jump rope is the perfect tool to perfect these skills. Here's how. First, you want to focus on sprint intervals. Alternate between 15 seconds of lightning fast jumps and 30 seconds of slower recovery jumps. These bursts mimic sprinting and train your muscles for explosive power. Next, you want to make sure you master double unders. I have an entire video breaking down my method of training beginners on how to master double unders. Make sure you check the links below to check that one out. And it's a fantastic way to improve your coordination, timing, and power. Add this plyometric move to your workout. You want to incorporate tuck jumps, where you bring your knees up to your chest while jumping. These build lower body power and explosiveness. Then you want to track your progress. You can use a stopwatch, a fitness tracker, or even the smart jump rope like the Crossrope one that I use. By the way, if you want to get the jump rope that I currently have, check out the links below, it's down there. You want to track how many fast jumps you can do in 30 seconds. Challenge yourself to improve each week. For beginners, it's okay to practice these moves in smaller sets. As you improve, try integrating these into a full routine focused on agility and speed. And let me know in the comment section down below if you want me to make a full video and agility and speed routine.
Seriously, I'm really fast.
Fun fact, jumping rope improves your plyometric strength, which is essential for jumping higher and boosting your vertical leaping performance. Here's how you can use your jump rope to train to jump higher. First, you want to start with the basics. You want to build a solid foundation by perfecting your basic jump rope technique. Ensure that your form is spot on with your knees slightly bent and your body upright. Next, let's incorporate tuck jumps. First, you want to jump as high as you can while bringing your knees towards your chest. Perform these for 15 to 20 seconds. Rest and repeat for 4 to 5 seconds. Now let's add some resistance. You want to use a weighted rope to challenge your leg muscles further. These tools add resistance and build the explosive power needed for higher jumps. And in fact, weighted jumps can do so much more. Make sure you check out the video I have down below explaining all of the benefits of a weighted jump rope. Make sure you schedule your workouts and stick to it. You want to dedicate specific days to vertical leap training and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your sessions as you improve. Remember, proper recovery is just as important as training. Stretch your calves and hamstrings every session to avoid tightness and ensure optimal performance. And I'm not saying your jump rope is going to have you ducking like your Anthony Edwards,
230 pounds of fury with this one.
but a routine like this will help you jump higher and help you achieve your goal of dunking perhaps. And yes, a jump rope can do all of those things for you and so much more. And if you want to learn more about jumping rope, you want to learn how to help you transform your body this year, check this video out right here. I'm sure it's going to help you. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and as always, just start. We're about being perfect later.